Welcome to Star Chat, the podcast that takes you on a journey through the vast expanse of space and time. I'm your host, Carl, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we explore the latest discoveries in the universe. As we begin, let's take a moment to appreciate the incredible machinery that helps us unravel the secrets of the cosmos. The Hubble Space Telescope, launched over 3 decades ago, has been a stalwart companion in our quest for knowledge, providing us with breathtaking images and groundbreaking insights into the nature of the universe. Today, we're going to talk about a fascinating discovery made possible by Hubble's remarkable capabilities. A team of scientists, using Hubble's cosmic origin spectrograph, has identified a white dwarf star that is the result of a cosmic collision between 2 stars. This white dwarf, known as WDEO525Plu526, is remarkable not only because of its origins, but also due to its extreme temperature and unique composition. Imagine, if you will, 2 stars colliding in a spectacular display of celestial fireworks. The resulting white dwarf, WDHUO525+526, is a scorching hot star with a surface temperature of almost 21,000 kelvins, or 37,000 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hotter than the surface of the sun. But what makes this star truly remarkable is its composition. The team discovered that it has a small amount of carbon in its atmosphere, which is a clear indication of its origin as a result of a stellar merger. Now, you might be wondering how the team was able to detect this tiny amount of carbon. That's where Hubble's cosmic origin spectrograph comes in. This incredible instrument allows scientists to study the light emitted by objects in unprecedented detail, revealing the hidden secrets of their composition and nature. In this case, the spectrometer detected faint spectral lines from elements heavier than helium, like carbon, which become brighter in the ultraviolet part of the spectrum. This discovery has significant implications for our understanding of white dwarf stars and their role in the universe. It suggests that many seemingly normal white dwarfs might actually be the result of cosmic collisions hiding in plain sight. The team is eager to explore this possibility further, studying similar white dwarfs to see if they can uncover more evidence of stellar mergers. As we continue to explore the universe with instruments like Hubble, we're reminded of the awe-inspiring complexity and beauty of the cosmos. From the majestic swirl of galaxy clusters to the intricate dance of celestial mechanics, every new discovery invites us to ponder our place within the grand tapestry of existence. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat. We're exploring the wonders of the universe and all the exciting stories that come with it. In our previous segment, we took a journey through time and space, visiting different planets and moons in our solar system at various stages of their evolution. From the potential for life on Mars to the dramatic fate of Mercury, we've seen some amazing sights. Now, let's take a break from the cosmos and talk about something a bit more down to earth. You know how important it is to stay connected and powered up when you're on the go. That's why many of us turn to portable batteries to keep our devices charged. But have you ever considered using solar-powered portable batteries? They seem like a great idea, harnessing the power of the sun to charge your phone or tablet. However, as it turns out, they might not be as reliable as you think. According to a recent test, solar-powered power banks were found to be disappointing and potentially unsafe. The test revealed that these devices often struggled to charge efficiently, and some even posed a risk of overheating or electrical shock. So, what's the best alternative? Well, it seems that traditional portable batteries are still the way to go. They might not be as flashy or environmentally friendly, but they're reliable, efficient, and safe. So, if you're in the market for a new portable battery, you might want to stick with what you know and avoid the solar-powered options. But don't worry, we'll keep an eye on the latest developments in portable power technology and bring you updates as more efficient and safe options become available. Stay tuned for our final story of the day, right here on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat. As we wrap up today's journey through the cosmos, I'm excited to share with you 2 fascinating stories that highlight human ingenuity and our quest for exploration. First, let's talk about a remarkable discovery in the field of astrophysics. Researchers have found that 1/3 of Sun-like stars are born with misaligned planet-forming disks. This means that the disks of gas and dust that eventually give rise to planets are not always aligned with the star's equator. This finding has significant implications for our understanding of planetary formation and the potential for life beyond Earth. Imagine a solar system where the planets are tilted at odd angles, like a cosmic game of celestial billiards. This misalignment can lead to some pretty wild orbits, making it challenging for planets to maintain stable climates and potentially supporting life. But don't worry, this doesn't mean that life is less likely to exist elsewhere. On the contrary, it adds another layer of complexity to the already intricate dance of planetary formation. And speaking of exploration, our next story takes us to the underground tunnels of Lanzarote, an island in Spain, where a team of robots has been testing a new approach to exploring volcanic caves. These lava tubes, formed by ancient eruptions, could potentially provide shelter for future human outposts on the Moon or Mars, protecting us from harsh radiation and extreme temperatures. The robot team, consisting of 2 rovers and a small probe, worked together to map the surface and rappel down into the cave, demonstrating a clever strategy for exploring these underground environments. It's a significant step towards enabling future lunar or Martian cave missions, where robots like these could pave the way for human exploration. As we gaze up at the stars, it's inspiring to think about the incredible feats of engineering and scientific inquiry that are happening right now, from the study of misaligned planet-forming disks to the development of robotic explorers. These advancements remind us that the universe is full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled, and that human curiosity and ingenuity can take us farther than we ever thought possible. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.